Now we are going to see the problems under applications of integrals. See here, using integration, find area enclosed by the circle x square plus y square equal to a square. So here the given equation is equation of circle. Equation of circle normally x minus a the whole square plus y minus b the whole square equal to r square. But our equation is x square plus y square equal to a square. So here the center is a comma b. So for our question the center is 0 comma 0 and the radius is a. So we can mark this point as a. This point is a comma 0 because this is in x-axis, and then this point is b, that is 0 comma a. Why this a means a is a radius. Okay, so here we are going to find the area of this circle. This fully is this shaded part we have to find. So we are going to take the vertical strip for finding the area of this region. So therefore area of region in first quadrant. Why we are finding first quadrant only? Because from O A B, using this we can find the area of this first quadrant shaded region. After that we can multiply by 4, then we can get the whole shaded region of the circle. So integral, the limit for this, we are using vertical strip because the limit for this region is 0 to a in x-axis. So we are using vertical strip. So integral 0 to a y dx. So integral 0 to a, here y is, from this we can find y square equal to a square minus x square. So y equal to root of a square minus x square into dx. So here the formula for root of a square minus x square integration formula is x by 2 root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a. Here we can apply the limit. First upper limit. So upper limit is a by 2 root of a square minus a square plus a square by 2 sin inverse of a by a. This is upper limit, minus lower limit is 0 by 2 root of a square minus 0 square plus a square by 2 sin inverse of 0 by a. So equal to, here a square minus a square becomes 0, and then this a square by 2 sin inverse a by a is 1. So a square by 2 sin inverse of 1 minus this becomes 0, and then sin inverse 0 is 0. So this whole is 0. So answer is a square by 2 sin inverse of 1 is pi by 2 because sin 90 is 1. So sin inverse of 1 is pi by 2. So answer is pi a square by 4 square units. This is for first quadrant. Now required area. Required area how can we find? We can multiply by 4. 4 into area of first quadrant. So equal to 4 into pi a square by 4. This 4 get cancelled. So pi a square square units. So this is the answer for this question. So since here the region is symmetrical in all quadrant, therefore the answer is pi a square square units.